Good morning, TikTok and TikTokers. Yeah, Kim is not here, and Ed, so Kevin is with me. It's so hot today. So might as well go to the mall, spend the day here, and we're gonna go to Popeyes. Yeah. No people in the mall. Caitlin. Stressed. My God, I'm stressed, huh? Look at these kids. Oh my gosh. Chocolate. Some chocolates. It's just... Caitlin, sabi ko, ha? Sinabi ko na. Elio, ikaw isa ka pa. Oh my gosh. Nakaka-wrinkles. Go straight. Nakaka-shoot. Elio, Lucas, Kate. Nihingal ako. OMG. What's going on? I get tired easily. Is there a lot of people at Popeyes? Actually, I want to eat pansit gisado. But this kid likes westernized food. Saan ba PWD dito? Dito tayo sa disabled. Baby. Hey, dito kayo. Baka mawala kayo. Dito kayo. What do you want? Tell me now.
I want chicken burger.
Chicken burger. Fries.
And ice cream.
Okay. Where is that? Nasaan yung picture niya? What? Okay. We'll get the water. Parang ang sarap yung dessert nila. Honey assorted. Box of 6. Caitlin, dito ko sa tabi ko, sa nakikita ko. Don't go anywhere. Chicken French quarter meal. Okay. Sounds good. I'm gonna try it.